In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your passport size photograph for the DV 2024 lottery. I will be using the photo tool right inside of the DV 2024 diversity program. So it is free. You can use it and resize your photo perfectly without any fear. Here are the requirements that you need for your photos. The minimum acceptable dimensions are 600 by 600 pixels and the maximum 1200 by 1200 pixel. Your image has to have a color of 24 bits per pixel, that is in sRGB color space. You have to save it as a JPEG file and the size shouldn't be more than 240 kilobytes. So let's head over and see what we have when using the photo tool. After clicking on the link that I provided in the description, you will be prompted here. You can check on the instructions, you can check on the photo examples, or if you are ready to go, everything is set, you just go under entry, click on photo examples to see the types of photos that I needed. Your image has to be in focus, no shadow. This one we don't need shadows. This one is okay. If you want to use the photo tool, you will have it here. So you have to first click on the photo examples and there you will be prompted on this page. Click on photo tool. You can download this tool on your Android and use it to resize your photo. It is free of charge. Under this photo tool, you click on choose photo. But before using the photo tool, make sure your image is properly filmed. That is, your subject should be looking at the camera directly. Click on show all files if your image isn't shown here. This image, I will select it like this. You can see the person is focusing on the camera. It has automatically been cropped, so accept and proceed. Just click on accept and proceed. Go to download image to your device. The image is automatically downloaded. So when you open the image, you can see that everything has been respected. To check if your image is really fitted for the DV loyalty program, just right click on it, go to properties, go to details, and here you can find the dimensions to be 600 by 600 pixels. That is, the width is 600, the height is 600, the horizontal resolution and the vertical resolution are both 300 dpi, which is exactly what we want, and the bit depth, which is 24 bit per pixel. 24 bit per pixel is what we want. So that is what we had for you today. You can now use this image and go into the DVD program by simply going to entry, because here you have to put this code to show that you are a human. That is not something which is done automatically. You have to submit this code, type it the way it is. This is 6, this is capital P, P again 5, capital W, capital P and X. So after filling it, you will go to submit. Let me just do it for you. That is it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And if you have anything, let us know in the comments. I will see you in the next video.